Interlink network connecting people and currency. The core concepts we described revolve around the internet, currency evolution, the vision of a global currency, and the role of the interlink network in democratizing investment opportunities. The digital foundation, the internet network, you describe the internet network as the biggest NIFTU in the world, connecting the people, essentially recognizing it as a largest system connecting individual globally. Currency evolution, while different countries have their own currency, globalization has led to the rise of digital currency and cryptocurrency. The global currency idea, the thoughts process behind the emergency of cryptocurrency is the question. What is the whole world used as single currency? Investment and opportunity. The global of wealth. Everyone want to earn money and increase the wealth through investment. The top investor strategy. The world top investors convert their fund into currency whose value is expected to increase. The interlink connection, this investment opportunity, privacy limited to the elite is being introduced to the common man through the interlink network. The network's mission, the interlink network fundamental purpose as stated by you is mission is the work with resolve that this opportunity should reach the common man as well. Technology, it operates full human and AI, artificial intelligence technology. Based on your description, the interlink network appreciates to be real, emerging human centric blockchain project there. Confirm your key points. The network is especially built on combining blockchain and advanced AI with biometric verification like facial recognition to create unique interlink ID proof of personhood. This ensures that each other is a real person, not a bot. At the fully human and AI technology point. Reaching the common man, the global is a build a large verification human network to drive the next wave of Web3 and financial applications. Amazing for 1 billion real users. 5 billion real users supporting the reaching the common man objective. Cryptocurrency, let's take example ITLG for utility rewards and governance within its ecosystem